Welcome to Interior Design YouTube channel. Today we will discuss about type of powder bathroom interior decoration and design. So let's begin. The powder bathroom should be your home's most visually exciting spaces. It's where you can and your decorator can go absolutely bananas or banana leaf wallpaper if you're truly strapped for ideas, along with graphic wallpaper, which is fair game since you're not dealing with the moisture from a bathtub or shower. You can spend most of your budget on something wild, maybe even hand painted or antique. It is also the perfect opportunity to experiment with bold paint colors as well as stylish mirrors, lighting, and fixtures. So, are you ready to go for the broke? So, let's start. Number 1, farmhouse chic bathroom. Number 2, divided bathroom. Number 3, picture perfect bathroom. Number 4, rustic mirror bathroom. Number 5, psychedelic bathroom. Number 3, checkered bathroom. Number 7, blue tint bathroom. Number 9, hot pink bathroom. Number 10, moody lighting bathroom. Number 12, textual bathroom. Number 13, statement making sink bathroom. Number 14, palm painted bathroom. This is the type of border bathroom designs we have discussed in this video. Thank you for watching. For the latest and trending interior design must watch